Hello everyone, my name is Hamiddin Shaik. I'm from Sangli. Currently here a student at Pimpri Chinchwad University. So I'm pursuing MBA in pharmaceutical management. So I would like to tell about the faculty here. The faculty is very good and supportive, constantly provides guidance to the students. And we also have pharmaceutical expert lectures. So from various pharmaceutical industries. And the industry promotes strong culture for the physical activities and teamwork. So I would like to tell about the sports here. So we have a variety of sports facilities here, from indoor to outdoor games. We have two badminton courts, one in the B block and one in the C block, and three table tennis courts, and many more things we have. And sports at Pimpri Chinchwad University is a plus point for the students, and I would like to recommend the students to take the advantage of the facilities here. Thank you.